Hey guys.
Me neither. Hey.
What seems to be the problem?
Tired, no energy.
I'm tired, no
I don't
energy.
even feel like calling labs right now.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Have no fear, guys. Santa John is here.
Really?
But gifts bearing for all.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, yes,
Oh my
yes.
gosh,
So some ECA Stack Plus for you.
Oh my
Some Time
gosh!
Complete for you.
Oh my gosh, this was on my list.
You wanted some pepper and thing too.
John, I need you for a second.
What seems to be the problem,
Oh
Michelle?
my gosh, I can't with this. I feel like really fatigued and lethargic.
Huh, you can't lift this? You need more help for more strenuous activity?
Mm-hmm.
I think I can help you with Hercules Potion.
Oh my gosh.
Doctor prescribed therapies from the pharmacy to your doorstep.
Oh my gosh, Hercules Potion helped me. It can help you too. And the pump is real.
John, I need you for a second, please. John, can I see you for a second, please? I need you for something.
What?
I mean, I know it's been a long day, but I mean... Okay, well, I just want to make sure you're taking your Titan therapies because... Just saying.
Are you trying to get at something?
Yeah, take your Titan therapy so your wife is happy at all times.
Okay. I'll take my Titan therapies. I'll make sure I take care of you. I'm taking my Titan therapies and so should you.